Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Now that you've registered your account and purchased your membership, you're probably wanting to get a little more comfortable with the Hyperfund app. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how everything works. So on the first page here, you're going to be seeing a few things. You will be seeing pending rewards. Now, as mentioned in the previous video, when you purchase your membership package, this pending rewards amount is going to go up to 2 times or 3 times the amount, depending on the current period in which you've purchased the package. So I purchased a $300 package during the promotional period of 3 times, so it went up 3 times, but this can be anywhere from 2 to 3 times. Think of this as a remaining balance, essentially. How much is left to be rewarded to you? And you can click the eyeball icon here to hide it or show it for security purposes. Next, you have the purchased packages section. You click here and you will get a nice little overview of all of the packages you have purchased, all of the rebuys you have done, and the status here. It will say releasing. And you're also able to click here, and as you get your daily rewards, you're able to see all of the daily rewards broken down here. We'll go back to the home page. Here you will also see announcements. As the company has announcements here next to this little mic, you will see the announcements and you'll be able to click them and see them as they come up. Down here, you'll see the membership options. So you have 3 membership packages currently with more upcoming. You have the Hyperdrive 300 HU membership, 500 and 1,000. And also, as you get your rewards, you can rebuy in multiples of 50. And of course, when you're purchasing, you can also choose a quantity if you would be interested in purchasing multiple membership packages. Okay, so next we have the sales section, all right? The sales section is plain and simple. If you were to become a community builder or affiliate, you would see the people that you have referred down here in this downline section. And you would see the total bonuses that you got from the Hyperdrive reward plan. Now, over here, you'll see total sales. This is the total sales for your entire organization. It could just be you if you're a passive participant. And rebuy volume will essentially indicate how much you have repurchased as you go along. Next, we have the education tab, which is being built upon regularly. You'll see here that we have a few videos to teach you more about blockchain technology and some fantastic online forums. And in this section, you get to learn more about blockchain and to hear more from the industry experts. Next, we have the profile section here. So here you'll see multiple things. First, you'll see your username here. This one is bitlionaire88, and you will have your invitation link, which you can tap this, copy it, and send it to anyone who is interested in joining our community that you've spoken to. Down here, you will see how close you are to the next rank. We have, as mentioned in the Hyperdrive reward plan, we have multiple ranks anywhere from expert to VIP 5-star, and it will show you how close you are to achieving the next rank. Then we have the deposit address here. As mentioned previously, this is the address that you would deposit your USDT in order to purchase your package. Then you would see exchange, transfer, withdrawal, and merge. So these functions you would be using when you are doing a withdrawal later on, but I will show you the basics here. So transfer, when you get your rewards, you would click transfer to transfer the rewards to your financial section. Do a conversion and then withdraw. Or you could transfer to other members from your deposit account. Okay? And then you have the exchange option. You would be using this when you convert your rewards into tokens in our ecosystem and withdrawal. Then you have withdrawal, which is very self-explanatory. You would click this when it's time to withdraw. The merge section is a very, very handy section. right here, you're able to click this plus button and you're able to add multiple accounts. So if you have opened more than one account, you're able to click this plus button and enter that account here as long as you have the transaction password and email verification code. And you can manage all of your accounts from one place. You can click merge all, which would essentially take all of the rewards once they've hit a minimum of 50 and would push them to the top account. Or you could click this button right here, the reinvest all. And by clicking this would compound all of the rewards on all of your accounts separately with the click of one button instead of having to log into each account separately. All right, then next down here, you'll see a few things. My account. So you have 5 accounts here. Deposit, which we've already gone over. This is where you send your USDT in order to purchase your package. Rewards is where your daily rewards will populate every single day. So it will move from your pending rewards to here in order to withdraw or to send to other people, whatever you choose. Then we have the financial section. So how it works is when you do a withdrawal, which we will be showing in a later video, you would transfer the amount in your rewards to the financial account. And from this financial account, this is where you're able to convert to our tokens and withdraw. The offset account is another very, very handy account that you can use to assist other members to purchase their membership. So if you have a minimum of 50 HU, you can transfer it to the offset account, and then from there, you can click transfer, and you can transfer from your offset account to other users. So what is the difference of the offset to the deposit account? Since of course you can transfer to member from both of them. Well, the offset has a specific rule attached to it. With the offset, you can only help another member purchase up to 50% of their membership. So make sure when you are helping other members, you are clear on this. So for example, say that they purchased a $300 membership package. You could send them up to $150 of that to offset their package purchase. So that's how this one works. And there is a limitation of 50% of the package purchase price. Then we have the certified account. Well, as mentioned in the Hyperdrive rewards plan, which you may or may not have seen, 20% of all of your Hyperdrive rewards, which is the rewards you get by helping others join our fantastic community and referring them. 20% of all of those rewards go to this certified account. And from there, you are able to use this when the company launches new tokens in our ecosystem. You're able to use this to exchange for an equal value amount of tokens. Now, the rest is very, very simple. We have our settings. First is the email. Right here, you'll see which email you're using for the account, and you are, of course, allowed to click here, and you can change it. As long as you have access to your old email address, you're able to change your email whenever you want. Now, if you have lost access to your previous email, please contact one of our community members or our support team for further assistance on that. Then we have language. Of course, being a robust community, we will be adding on new languages regularly. And if you wanted to change to another language you felt more comfortable with, you could do that here. Then we have update password. If you want to change your login password, you can click here and update it whenever you'd like. Same with the transaction password. If you would like to change to a different transaction password, you can go ahead and do that here as well. Now, do keep in mind, if you have forgotten your password, you can click here with forgot password and you can reset your transaction password. Well, that's pretty much a high-level overview of the entire app. After a little bit of time, you will start to get very, very comfortable with using this. And really, the only main things that you need to know how to do are to fund your account, to convert into tokens and withdrawal, and how to invite others to this amazing opportunity. Thanks for watching, guys. And in the upcoming video, we're going to be showing you how to withdraw from your account and sell your tokens on an exchange.